In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an intertwined text effect in Canva. This is a fantastic way to add some creative flair to your presentations or designs. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to make sure you open your presentation in Canva. It's important that you have your text ready to go and saved as a PNG file with a transparent background. This is crucial because it will allow us to layer the text and create that intertwined look without any unwanted backgrounds getting in the way. Once you have that sorted, head over to the top right-hand corner of the screen and click on the Share button. This will open up a menu with several options. From there, select the Download option. When the Download Settings dialog appears, you'll need to change the file type to PNG to keep that essential transparency. Just make sure the option for transparent background is checked. Now go ahead and click on Download to save your file. Once your download is complete, it's time to head back to your Canva design. Here, you'll need to delete the original text from your canvas since we'll be working with the new PNG version. Next, upload the recently downloaded PNG file back into Canva. With your uploaded file in place, begin by cropping the image to show only the first letter, let's say D, if you're using the word DU. After cropping, click on the Duplicate button to create a copy of this letter. Move this duplicate beside the original D. Reveal only the O from your new duplicate by cropping it accordingly so that you display just the portion of the text that captures the letter O. The key to achieving the intertwined effect is in the layering and alignment, so take your time with this next step. Adjust the letters so they slightly overlap or link with each other. This helps create that 3D woven look. Once you're satisfied with the placement, right-click on the O and use the duplicate function again. This duplicate of O should be aligned directly on top of the first O to preserve the continuity. Here's the trick. Crop the newly duplicated O to only show half of it. This crop will give the illusion that part of the original O overlaps. Once you've managed that, you'll want to adjust the positioning. Select the first O and go to Send Backward. This will layer it underneath the D, completing the intertwined effect. And that's it. You're done. With this technique, you now have an eye-catching intertwined text effect that adds a unique dimension to your design. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you're inspired to try out more creative ideas in Canva. Thanks for watching, and until next time,